Got a killer sample that's just slightly offbeat. In this here, if your loops aren't locked to your project tempo, your mix is going to feel amateur. Today, I'm showing you the two fastest ways to change a sample BPM in FL Studio, the manual stretch for visual learners, and the fit to tempo method for mathematical precision. Let's get your project in sync. Alright, and first let's use the playlist stretch tool. So just drop your sample into the playlist, and then press Shift+M to toggle the stretch mode in the upper left corner of the playlist. Grab the edge of your sample and drag it to the nearest bar line. Open the channel settings and change the mode to Stretch Pro. This keeps your pitch perfect while you change the speed. It's the fastest way to feel the tempo change without messing up your key. And also a tip, if you know the exact BPM of your sample, do this instead. Click the waveform icon in the top left of your audio clip. Click the waveform icon in the top left of your audio clip and select Fit to Tempo. Choose Type in BPM and enter the sample's original speed. FL will instantly calculate the stretch ratio and lock it to your project's master clock. And also the power move, if you don't know the BPM, select Detect Tempo and let the new AI Pulse engine guess the speed for you. It's 99% accurate on everything from complex jazz to simple drum breaks. And now, after this, your track should be perfectly on grid. If this production guide helped you sharpen your workflow today, smash like and subscribe.